What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window switch on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a trim tool and I want to get underneath this bezel right here. Slide this up, slide this out of the way. You can disconnect the connector right here, just push down. Disconnect the connector. Just take a pocket screwdriver. There's some tabs right here. You can try to push them from right there, but sometimes it's a little easier to go in between the two panels to release it. Right there. Put a little pressure from the front side and just rock it out just like that. Take the switch. You want to line the switch up like this so the switch part is towards the front of the bezel. Flip it over, line it up, lock it in place. Reconnect the window switch to the connector, line it up, lock it in place. Then there's a slide right here that slides in the back. That slides like that, and then push down on the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.